Hey guys, so we're going to talk about why was Subway removed in Ferry Street. You see right here, you see on this top sign, it says famous bartending school. Along with another thing right there. However, you might notice something here. Subway restaurants. Build your own fast food chain. Where's the there's 2007 we had Subway right here. And also right here we had Burger King. You see this blue thing? And there's a car wash. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, right here is car wash. So this is what it looked like in 2007. Yeah, Subway logo. June 2012. Like when this got shut down. Oh, I thought the car wash didn't exist from this one. But suddenly it appeared. You see right here, they were promoting some stuff. Avocado season. And fast forward 3 months later, this right here is still closed. Yeah, you see it's a little bent right there. That was happening sign. And you see car wash still right here. So you got Subway. Moving to 3 years later. See that thing's gone. You see the gates right here with the traffic cone. I don't know why they put that in there. You see promoting some more stuff in here. The building never got any changes. It's just always white. Moving 1 year later, when we got this thing on here under construction. Subway. As you see right here, there was actually some opening right there. Yeah, there was something open right there. Moving to, well, we're gonna move to right here as well, because it might show it closed. November 2016. So you can still see it right here. Yeah, you can kind of see Subway right there. But then in the shutdown, which is October or November, probably October. You see right here, well, you can easily see it right here. Look right here. There's no Subway anymore. It just went bye-bye, and you see right here is now getting rented. Wait. Whoa. This got moved right here. We're not going right here. Because it's not the time for famous boarding school. See right here? You see a little fade of the Subway logo? Yeah, it's right there. July 20. Well, actually, first let's go to. I don't know which. You see right here the Busy Bee Roasters. Yeah, I might talk about it getting removed. If there's any June, yeah, there's June. Before we had this busy, it's like some bank. Busy Bee Roasters. You see right here, car wash getting constructed. And you see famous boarding school. They actually grand opened. The other ones, like 3 months later, October. Zero is the same. You see right here, that was the part of the subway. It's right there. It had some like moving thing right there. Maybe those are from the car wash. Like right here. You see this like green gate one that's getting constructed? That's actually the car wash. Maybe they got those from the car wash. Yeah, this got removed. Yeah, I don't see any of those moving things. Now going to June 2019, the same month and year that I created my YouTube channel. No, okay, this place is better. Let's see the little moving thing on October. It's better seeing. Yeah, you see the moving things right there, the colorful ones. Those look like the same ones from the car wash, right here. Since the car wash also had those things, those colorful moving things. Well, that one got removed. It's probably this one that's only left. Yeah, that could be the moving thing. Maybe that's the TV. See right here. I don't know if people went in the famous Barton school. 2020. We have a beauty session. Salon. I don't know how to pronounce that. You see right here, yeah, girl stuff right there. Maybe it has a movie thing, a little moving thing. I'm not sure about famous Barton school. They actually grand open like right here, door. But for some weird reason, they got rid of the logo. I have no idea why, cause it's a new store. They probably should have put it next where the Subway logo was, like both sides. Yeah, that's why Subway got removed, because of those pesky things that were in Burger King. Car Wash Y was removed. I forgot to mention it. Maybe it didn't make enough money, or maybe it broke down. Subway, maybe because of those disgusting thingies like Burger King had right here, like that place right here, and also those annoying pests right there that camped the kitchen in my old house. Maybe that's the reason why it got removed.